Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some more questions based on your chapter number 7, exercise 7a. That is your ratio. Exercise of ratio. Exercise 7a. Now, actually, I give you some questions to solve in your home. Hopefully, you people are able to correctly solve all these questions. Now, today I will start the exercise from question number 10. So I am going to first read the question, then discuss more. In question number 10, it says that divide rupees 2060 between three people x, y, and z, such that x gets 3/5 of what y gets, and the ratio of share of y to z is 6:11. Now, question is little bit complex one, that it says that x gets 3/5 of what y get, and ratio of share of y to z is 6:11. So we are going to solve this one. See very carefully. First, write down the total sum of rupees. It is given that 2060. Rupees 2060. Now there are two parts, ratio of xy and ratio of yz. Yz is very simple one, but xy is a confusing one. So first find out share of y ratio z equals to, it is given that 6:11. 6:11. Let y get 6x rupees 6x, z get rupees 11x. Now, what is this pair? X is total sum. That is this one. Now we are not going to solve this part first, but we assume. Then second part says that x gets 3/5 of y gets. So according to question, share of x is equals to 3/5 of y. What is the amount of y we assume? 6x. So 3/5 of, it's a 6x. It's a 18x upon 5. This is a share of x. Or so now we have x in terms of share of x in terms of x, share of y in terms of 6x, and share of z in terms of 11x. So you can say that x ratio y ratio z equals to x ratio y ratio z equals to, it's 18x by 5 ratio in that of y 6x, that of z 11x. It is the assumed one. Now when you multiply all the ratio by 5, we can convert into equivalent ratio. So it's 18x ratio 30x ratio 55x. Now in this case, x is another term. We can remove x, so ultimate ratios are this one. Now you come to this side, sum of ratios from this, you come to this side, sum of ratios equals to this plus this plus this. It's 80 plus 30 plus 55. It's 103, I think. It's 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10, 103, sum is 103. Now total sum is 102060. Share of x is 18. So amount of x equals to 18 upon 103 of 2060 of 2060. Well, we can easily cut this one. It's a 20. It's a rupees 360. Similarly, we can find out amount of y. It's a 8. Sorry. It's a 30 upon 103. 30 upon 103 into 2060. It's a 600 and solving that it's a 20. So it's a rupees 60. Amount of z. Amount of z is 55 upon 103. 55 upon 103 into 2060. What we have? We have 20. So 0 to 5 is 10. So 10 on 1100. Rupees 1100. Now these are the answers. This one, and this one. This is the solution of question number 10. We simply first find out the share of y that it is given, then we assume that share of y and z in terms of variable. Then share of x equals to 3/5 of y. As we assume that share of y is 6x part, so from this we get the share of x in terms of x part. Then find the ratio of x ratio y ratio z. At last we have in this one. Then find out the sum of ratios of this one. Then you can easily find out the amount by ratio of this by sum of ratio. This is the solution. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 12. Question number 12 says, it's a very simple one. It says that the length of a 3-ribbon is in the ratio 4:3:5. If the length of the shortest ribbon is 12 cm, find the length of the longest ribbon. It's given all the ratio. Length of 3 ribbons is in the ratio 4:3:5. It's a very simple one. Whenever ratios are given, we must find out the sum ratios if we are going to find out the exact length. So ratio is given. It's a 4:3:5. Sum of ratio it's a 4 plus 3 plus 5. It's a 12. Now question says that length of the shortest ribbon. let length of is not length of shortest ribbon equals to, it is your 12 centimeter. But we know that in this case ratio is 4:3 ratio. 4 is in 3 is a 5. This is a short spot. But for while question says that length of 3 ribbons. Let total length equals to x. So according to question, 3 by 12 of x equals to 12. Means what? 3 upon 12 into x equals to 12. X equals to 12 into 12 by 3, 3 fours are, it's a 48 centimeter. This is the combined length of the ribbon. Now question asks you that length of longest ribbon, this longest part, this one. Therefore, length of longest ribbon equals to length of longest ribbon equals to 5 upon 12 of 48 is 5 upon 12 into 48, 12 fours are, it's a 20 centimeter. Now this is the answer. It's a very simple one. First find out the ratio is given, we find out the sum of ratios. One length is given, maybe shortest, maybe greatest, longest. In this case we have shortest to shortest, and we see this one. Let the total length is x. We must assume this one to find out this one. We can solve in another method also, but this is the unique method, and we will also follow the unique method. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question 14, and in the exercise 7a. All of you must solve the complete exercise in your care copy. Now in question number 14, it says that the height of the student increased in the ratio 2:3. The height at present is 140 centimeter. What is the new height? Question asking the new height. So it's a very easy one. First, it is given that ratio of height whole ratio new, it's 2:3. Present height is given, present height equals to 140 centimeter. Question asked to you new height, that is an increased height. Let x, you can write here, say, this we are supposing x centimeter, you can say, because you will not describe it. Now, as we know that old ratio new in this case equals to old is your 140, new is your x. And according to question, it says that this must be equal to this one. You can say 140 ratio x equals to 2 ratio 3. 140 upon x equals multiply each other, what we have? We have 140 into 3 by 2 equal to x. Therefore, x equal to 210 centimeters. So these are the some questions today discussed. Similar type questions are given in your book also. All of you complete the exercise 7A in your A copy. Question maybe copy may be asked you for checking. You must submit when necessary. Thank you for today.